How to change payment method on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be learning how you can change payment method on Skillshare. So how do you go about it? The first step is for you to navigate to the Skillshare website and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, ensure that you locate your account settings and then you brought to your profile page. Once you're on this page, you can see your profile. Then once you can see this, the next step is to go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the Skillshare symbol and just click on it. So after clicking on it, the drop down menu that appears, you'll see some options like account settings, language, within pegs, team plans, help, and then sign out. Just go ahead and click on account settings. So after clicking on account settings, you would be brought to the account settings page. On this page, you'll be automatically brought to the profile settings. So move to the left side where you can see a sidebar and then select you see some options, right, such as view profile, email address, and the like. So go scroll down and click on membership and payment. So after clicking on membership and payment, you'll be brought to the membership and payments page, and then on this page you'll see the option a payment method. All right, and then by the right side of the payment method you will see the option change. So just click on it and then you'll be able to change your payment method from the one you're using initially to the next one that you are about to use. Now the reason why mine is empty is because I have not started my free trial and I have not chosen a membership on Skillshare. But for you to change your payment method, you must have started your membership. So once you click on membership and payment and you're brought to this page, just go ahead and select the payment method that you have already. Move to the right side, click on change, and then change it to whichever payment method that you would like to use. So it's that simple. Ensure you navigate through to your account settings page, select membership and payment, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.